watching! Let's go!
Before the year end, we are here, the QPA or the Quarry Permitees Association of Negros Oriental. We are conducting the tree planting or tree growing here in Barangay, Dagaton, Pamplona. Ayan guys. So, in fairness, dagan ang ni-participate sa event today. Ayan, mga salakyanan guys, pwede makasulod diha. Ma'am, Mercy. Most of our permittees like Sir Nestor Arcano and Ma'am Mercy and Reynold Babor and Ma'am Severina, they just leave their cars sa highway. Ayan, kasi ang hirap po. Yes, sobrang mahirap po pumasok siya yung mga cars. Ayan, kailangan po natin tumawid. Doon po kasi banda yung tree growing po natin. Ayan. So ayan, wala nang pakimik-kimik. Kailangan na po natin gawin ito at tanggalin mga sapatos at mag-umpisa ng tumawid sa river na yan. This tree growing activity in coordination of ENRD, which is Environmental Natural Resources Divisions of Negros Oriental. The type of species are Nara 80 pieces and Tagilumboy 20 pieces, Sambulawan 25 pieces and Red Nato 25 pieces. I hope one of the trees na giplant is mag-grow and makaiwas po sa mga baka kasi ang dami pong baka dyan actually. Here are some trivia why we have to plant trees near a river. It is essential for protecting water quality, preventing erosions and flooding, and providing a healthy habitat for wildlife. These vegetated areas known as riparian buffers act as natural filtration system and physical barriers that support the overall health of the river ecosystem. And of course, after the tree planting, I hope they can follow up if the trees are still standing or nawala na. So that is why it is important to follow up the tree planting activities. Worth it for the environment.
Okay. Hello everyone. So here's our event for today. It's a tree growing activity here in Pamplona, going to Santa Aguida. So we are done of our tree planting. We plant here along the river side. So that's some of quarry permitting here in Negros Oriental, together with their respective representative in the quarry. Ayan guys. So thank you so much for participating for activity today.
After our activity, hindi pwedeng wala pong salo-salo.
Ay, thank you kay sir. Oh, dagang prutas oh. Okay na ma'am. Kauna. Our food today. Pansit. Nay bagoong.
On behalf of the President of QPA Association, I would like to thank you to all the participants of our activity today. Thank you to all permittees who are present today. We appreciate your time and effort to be part of this activity.
Bigfoot representative. Nahinay. Thank you, Sir Eric Amping. So that's the representative in Bigfoot Quarry Permittee member Wilfredo Chu and Warren Chu. Thank you so much. So that's all for today. We made our activity amazing job for the tree planting here in Pamplona. So all is good. Thank you to all quarry permittees and their respective representative to join the tree planting activity today. Ayan. Thank you for watching!